Good morning students, class 8 chapter number 12 exponents and power exercise 12.1. In the previous video we have completed exercise 12.1 up to question number 2 and we discussed about log exponent in the previous video. Now we start question number 3. In the question number 3 it contained total 5th part, and in the first part we have to find the value of 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 की whole की multiply 2 raised to the power 2. So how can we simplify it? So 3 raised to the power 0, and according to the law of exponent, if any rational number की whole power 0, then we just note down it value is 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 की value 1. And if there is a rational number whose power is negative, then the law of exponent we can use a raised to the power minus m. It's mean 1 upon a की whole power m. So we use both law of exponent in the bracket. It's mean 1 plus 1 upon 4 की whole power 1 and whole की multiply 2 raised to the power 2. So 1 plus 1 upon 4 की whole multiply 2 raised to the power 2, it's mean multiply by 4. Taking 4 as a LCM, 4 plus 1 की whole multiply by 4. So it's mean 5 upon 4 multiply by 4 and the value is 5. So it's mean this value is 5. So I sure first part is clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss its third part. In third part we have to find out value of 1 upon 2 की whole power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole power minus 2. So firstly we convert power from negative to positive. So we use the law of exponent. A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a whole raised to the power m. It's mean we just note down reciprocal of the base and the power convert into positive. So what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? It's mean 2 upon 1 की whole power 2 plus 3 upon 1 whole power 2 plus 4 upon 1 की whole power 2. So simply 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 4 power 22 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. It's mean 4 plus 9 plus 16 and the answer is 29. So I sure third part is clear, just note down. Okay, now we discuss its fifth part. In the fifth part we have to find the value of minus 2 upon 3 की whole power minus 2 and again whole power 2. So in this question we use first law of exponent. It's mean a raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n. Then the power must be multiplied. It's mean a raised to the power m into n. So the question convert minus 2 upon 3 की whole power minus 2 multiply 2. It's mean minus 2 upon 3 की whole power minus 4. Now we can use law of exponent. A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a की whole power m. So it convert 3 minus 3 upon 2 की whole power 4. And now multiply minus 3 upon 2 multiply minus 3 upon 2 multiply minus 3 upon 2 multiply minus 3 upon 2. And the value is 81 upon 16. So I show fifth part is also clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, evaluate first part 8 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 5 raised to the power 3, it means 5 cube, and divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4. Then we have to find out its value. Firstly, iteration number contain power negative and 2 also contain power negative, and to convert power positive we use law of exponent. It's mean we just note down 2 raised to the power minus 4 and convert into power positive. We just note down 2 raised to the power 4 in numerator. Multiply 5 raised to the power 3 and 8 raised to the power minus 1 to convert power positive. We just note down it's from numerator to denominator. It's mean 8 raised to the power 1. Now simplify 2 raised to the power 4, it's mean 16, multiply 5 raised to the power 3, it's mean 125, and in the denominator 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, it's mean 2 multiply 125, and the value is 250. So it's mean answer of first part is 250. Just note down. Okay students, we now discuss its second part. In the second part we have to evaluate 5 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 1 and whole multiply 6 raised to the power minus 1. Then the law of exponent we can use. If a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m, then ab की whole power m. So in the bracket the law of exponent can be used. 5 multiply 2 की whole power minus 1 and multiply 6 की power minus 1. It's mean 10 की whole power minus 1 multiply 6 की power minus 1. The law of exponent again use. It's mean 10 multiply 6 की whole power minus 1. So 60 की whole power minus 1, and now the law of exponent we can use. A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a की whole power m. तो it's mean 1 upon 60 की whole power 1. So answer is 1 upon 60. So its value is 1 upon 60. So I show second part also clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss is question number 5. In the question number 5, find the value of m, and the question is 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. So to find out value of m, firstly the law of exponent we can use in the LHS is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. It's mean 5 raised to the power m minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. It's mean 5 की whole power m plus 3 is equal to 5 की whole power 5. Now in the LHS and RHS, base is same. So when base is same, then their exponent also must be same. So m plus 3 is equal to 5. So m is equal to 2. So its answer is 2. So I show question number 5 also clear, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 6. In the question number 6, evaluate, we have to find out value of 1 upon 3 की whole power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 की whole power minus 1 and then whole की power minus 1. So to simplify it, the law of exponent we can use. A raised to the power m is equal to minus m is equal to 1 upon a की whole power m. So 1/3 की होल पावर -1, इट्स मीन जस्ट नोट डाउन रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1/3, 3/1 की होल पावर 1 माइनस 4/1 की होल पावर 1 एंड होल की पावर -1. So in the bracket 3 minus 4 and whole की power -1, it's mean -1 की power -1. Then again we use the law of exponent. It's mean -1/1 की whole power 1. It's mean -1 की power 1 and the answer is -1. So I sure first part is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 7. Question number 6 second part, try yourself, and we discuss question number 7 first part. In the question number 7 we have to simplify 25 multiply t raised to the power -4 upon 5 raised to the power -3 multiply 10 multiply t raised to the power -8. So to simplify it, first we convert power from negative to positive using law of exponent, because it is 5 raised to the power -3 and we just note down it from denominator to numerator and power convert into positive. So 25 multiply 5 raised to the power 3. Similarly t raised to the power -8, it in denominator we just note down it in numerator and power positive. Similarly t raised to the power -4, it is in numerator, we just note down it from numerator to denominator and power in positive. Multiply by 10. So 25 multiply 125 multiply t raised to the power 8 upon t raised to the power 4 multiply 10. 5 2 are 10 and 5 5 are 25. T raised to the power 8 and upon t raised to the power 4. In the both we can use law of exponent. A की power m divided by a raised to the power n, it's mean a की power m minus n. So 5 multiply 125 into t की power 8 minus 4 upon 2. It's mean answer is 625 t की power 4 upon 2 answer. So I sure question number 7 also clear. Second parts try yourself. If you have any problem you can discuss with me. So in the next video we continue exercise 12.2. Thank you very much.